Hello my paper crafting friend, welcome to this month's edition of Paper and Joy, and it's the Father's Day edition, so we are going to be making this Father's Day card. So it's got the bit of a rope feature with a, if you can see that it sort of stands out, the flag a little bit, stands proud, the plaid dad print, and that also mirrors the little decorative feature we've got inside the card. So let's go and see what's in your packs and get crafting. Okay, so in your kits you will get your card base, envelope, cutout word for dad, triangle decorative piece of paper, and also a "You're the best" little flag piece which we will attach with some rope, a strip of colour paper which will pop on the inside of the card, and a spacer piece which will help us to glue the dad straight. You'll also need a piece of scrap paper to do your gluing on, a glue stick, and a pair of scissors. Alright, let's get crafting. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is put the decorative strip inside the card. So you need your card base, your little strip of paper, and your glue stick. So this is going to go down the bottom like that. It does have an overhang which we're going to cut off at the end when it's dry. So we'll pop that on first and then it has a chance to dry while we're doing the front. Okay, now we're going to just glue this starting just to the right of the fold line and like keeping it straight along the bottom edge of the card. There we go. Alright, so we'll let that dry and we'll move on to the front. Okay, grab your triangular piece. So this is going to go down the bottom here. Again, it's got a little bit of overhang that we're going to cut. So get your glue stick, pop some glue on nicely to the edges. Okay, now with the point of the triangle, just to that fold of the card, press that down. Okay, and we'll cut the excess off at the end. Okay, now grab your spacer piece and your dad letters. So we're going to put this at the bottom edge of the card and the dad will sit above at the top edge. So that's going to be like our little ruler so that we get the word straight. There. Just sort of space that out across the card so that it looks even edging there. Just move mine over a bit. There we go, that looks a bit better. Okay, so again, grab your glue stick, glue your letters. Be a bit careful while you put your glue on so you don't bend the letters and crease them. Yep. Okay, one. Just making sure your spacer still stays in the right spot. Next letter. Again, carefully putting your glue on. This one's got some more thinner pieces, so just careful with that. Alright, and space that. And the final letter. them a nice press. You can take your spacer away. Alright, so the next thing is the final bit of the card decoration is this little "You're the Best." Now, what we need to do is grab your string and we're going to tie a knot at the end. And just so it's got like a little bit of a end piece there. We're then going to thread it down through so it sits at the back, and then and then come up the next piece. Now just sort of pull it through so it's got a little bit of so it hangs a little bit past the flag. So we want to see the detail of the cutout of the flag. Flatten that at the back and then tie another knot. What we can actually do is just pull that back so we've got a bit of space to tie the knot, and then we can re-pull it and readjust it later. Now before you do the final sort of tighten of the knot, just do your spacing so you can see where you want it to sit. Yeah, that's good for me there. There we go. Okay, so we're just going to chop this little end bit off because that's a bit too long, not even. So this is a nice length. This one's a bit too long. Okay. Okay. Now we're going to grab your glue stick again. Just going to blow the string phrase away. We're going to put the glue on the string. Okay, that's how it's going to sit on the card. Attached to the card, I should say. So grab your glue stick. Hold it sort of taut and just glue along that string. Quite a nice bit of glue so that adheres well. Right. And now I'd pull the string taut while I'm gluing and then press down. So that's sort of, what's that, like a centimetre under the word, but where it sort of looks even. There we go. And now we're going to snip our excess pieces of paper. So turn your card over, use the card base as a cutting ruler edge and snip those pieces off. And there you have your Father's Day card. Hope you enjoyed making that with me. I had fun, hope you did too. Alright, we'll see you next time.